I mean, just look at this. It's lost the OK button. It's the OK button is gone. Let's turn it on. Unless I can get the model number to tell you guys this phone. Holy nuts! Look at like the button now. They have little sensors. Uh, it's not touchscreen. Hold on, not much of a nice keyboard. I mean, the keyboard, like this has got a better keyboard. It's like we can see in the background. We see a horse walking. Media center. Let's go search. Oh, I have. I thought I can get search there. See if I can get search. We have Bing. I think I never found out how to accept. It just won't accept. I press send. Usually it'd be, yeah, it doesn't even have that button. You see, if we're talking about the Samsung S82, this button would do it, but this does not have that. Oh, that! Yeah, I don't care. Oh, I'm trying to fill you a little loud. Yes. I want to search. Come on, little boy. This thing's hard. So can I just say, oh, it works. Cleared, yep. Okay, so we have browser. Request failed. See, I tried it on this phone before, and it did not work on this phone. It just, and it went like the 4 hours straight. It just said loading. Request failed. Why you fail? Retry. Now I'm gonna keep retrying. It's not working. But you can see the sensors on this. Oh, it stopped. Okay. The sensors. Can you turn off? that like not work?